29 July 2025, a 6.5 magnitude earthquake strikes Andaman Trench. The next day, volcano erupts from Barren Island, the India's only active volcano. Is this a coincidence, or are the dots connected somewhere deep down? How do we connect these dots on GIS between earthquake, volcanoes, oceans, trench, and turn this chaos into clarity? This is exactly where the power of ArcGIS and the magic of maps meet. So, from Living Atlas, we are going to bring in seafloor bathymetry, topographic hillshade, aspect and slope, side by side in the new Compare app instant template. So suddenly, what looked like a random layers becomes a story. It's more than data. It's simple, no code, yet highly impactful. Next, we bring in our earthquake archive data along with the fault lines data, all in this instant app swipe template using the new magnifier tool. So, let's move ahead to our most popular application, ArcGIS dashboards, which can now even work with 3D. Now I have used spike maps here so that we can correlate earthquakes in the vicinity of barren islands. So if we filter by layers of 2005 or 2008 or 2025, our year of interest, every earthquake has been followed by an eruption. So that's the power of ArcGIS. In just a few clicks, we have correlated historical data, live feeds, and terrain intelligence into one single platform. And it doesn't end there. Let's go ahead and let me introduce you to ArcGIS XR Viewer. It takes us beyond traditional maps to cutting-edge technology of ArcGIS extended reality. With XR, we can visualize data in a tabletop environment like this, or we can even go ahead and be in it in a 1:1 scale. Ain't that amazing? So, let my friend Indo be the guide, and let me switch over to the presentation mode. As you can see, the thunder and the rain is adding to the context so much. Let's move ahead and let's walk over the ridge. Or we can even simulate day and night over here. The mud flats are now visible so much better. Let's go ahead and move with the presentation. See, I'm standing just right on top of the crater. That is cool, right? So with ArcGIS XR Viewer, we can see what others can't. And the best part, that it doesn't end there. Imagine what we can do with other domains like urban, disaster management, or transportation, infrastructure. Let's go ahead and let's see what else we do have. Thanks to my friend Pallavi, who used Unity and ArcGIS SDK for game engine integration, we can simulate eruption like it was on the day of 30th. Violent sparks coming out, erupting from this crater, rocks being launched into the air, and smoke rising up from a single point in the sea. That's amazing, right, guys? This is where GIS moves beyond simulation and becomes communication and a decision support tool brought to life. The real magic word here is integration. Not just integrating tools, maps, apps, but integrating domains like geology, seismology, oceanography, geography, and so on, with a touch of game engine integration to simulate in one connected ecosystem, ArcGIS. Because when the Earth speaks, ArcGIS helps us to listen, learn, and act. Thank you so much.